This video shows you how to change the margins on your Google document. Using Page Setup. Click File. Select Page Setup. A Page Setup window will appear over your document. The margins are set to 1 inch by default. Type in new values to change the margins for the entire document. You can set the margin to decimal values to get the exact spacing you need. Click OK. This will confirm the margin settings for your Google Doc. Using the ruler. Show the ruler. If the ruler isn't already present on your Google Doc, follow these steps. Click View in the top menu bar. Click Show Ruler to make the ruler appear. Select the text you want to change. Press Ctrl+A to select everything in the document. Drag the blue arrow in the ruler. This will change the margin for the selected text. Place your cursor in a single line to change just the margins for that line. Highlight multiple lines to change their margins at the same time. Using the ruler only changes the margins for the text you've selected, not the entire document. If you found this video helpful, please click the like button and subscribe to our channel for even more helpful tutorials.